All right, so you know my rule where I'm only supposed to take 3 trades a day. Why is it so difficult to stick with a strategy? I would love to be able to figure out. No, it's just our emotions. It's how we are. We're humans. We're naturally emotional people. When we're losing money, when we're making money, the ups and the downs are crazy. Okay, especially in day trading, you go up $100, down $100, blah 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 blah. It's a lot. But 17 trades today. That's more trades than I would like to see, especially when I'm doing my little 3 straight strategy that I've been doing. And today, my first 3 trades. Let's go over to trades table. As you can see, green, red, green, small in the first one, but I think I don't do that on purpose, but I think mentally I'm doing it because I just like, oh, I want to get a little cushion on the day, no matter how small it is. But so still 2 out of 3, which is good. I've been doing this strategy on this little piece of paper here every day. I fill one of these out. Basically, I think you guys can see that. Basically, I just put on here, okay, my first 3 trades, was it green, was it red, was it green, and then at the bottom I put the ratio, and just so that I can, eventually start to scale up my position size a little bit more. Today was real choppy. I mean, huge swings in stocks, and not like in a good way, like just overly volatile on a 10-second candle. Like you could have a dollar swing in a stock that was trading for like $12, and it was just all over the place. And I wish I didn't take so many trades. I wish I took my first 3 and stuck to the strategy, but I was like, oh, I'm in the green a little bit. So let's see, that would have been what? I would have been negative 13, and then so what? I was like $14 in the green. 18. My brain is. I've been up since like 4 a.m. So my head's a little. I was in the green a little bit. And I should have stopped so that I could just keep trading my strategy. And the strategy still works. It's still collecting the data because it really only matters about the first 3 trades. I'm just trying to tell myself, hey, if I can be green on my first 2 out of 3 trades or 3 out of 3 trades, that's 66 to 100% accuracy, which is really good. So I got to try to be a little bit better at not continuing on. Especially, I think I was up $28 at one point today, and then ended up giving half of it back. But there was a point of which I was down $10. So I went up 28, then went negative 10. 100% in the red by $10, and then traded myself out of it, had like this win here. That was a nice win on NAOV. That stock was just ripping today all over the place. That was one that was super volatile. But nonetheless, a day in the green, but not the day in the green that I want, Let me expand my charts here a little bit. Oh, no, it's not right. Okay. So you can see I'm still trying to dig myself out of these holes that I'm making for myself. Stuck in halts and crazy shit. Just so freaking irritating. But nonetheless, a day in the green today, $14.95. We can buy a few coffees with that. But, it's all about the learning. I think I've only had one green week. Why isn't that data showing? I'm in September. So if we do last month, I've had one green week, and it was $30 in profit. And this was my first ever day trading here on the 12th. I don't know this. I had stocks. I was holding this account, so that data for whatever reason got screwed up. But this was my first day trading ever, day trading. So we're figuring things out a little bit here and there. I wish I could do it without all of the emotions, because look at all that green, but the reds they screw me big time. So anyways, this was Labor Day, that's why I didn't trade there. But that's it for today's video. Stick with the strategy, okay? Whatever your strategy is, stick to it for months. Build the data, that way you can scale your positions accordingly. That's all I got. I'm sell out before halts. Do my 3 trade strategy that I've been doing with buying breakouts. you know, and you know, hopefully eventually here we figure this thing out. But you know, today I was green, I was red, now I'm green. These are the hard things to try to figure out. You know, they're very mentally draining. And it's like I almost would have rather taken the negative $10 loss today than had this $15 win, because I didn't get to this spot the right way. I didn't follow my strategy. I traded with emotions. Granted, these are also like, yeah, I'm trading with 50 shares, 100 shares occasionally, but generally speaking, sticking with 50, unless I really have a really good feeling about something. So that's it, though, for this video, guys. I will see you tomorrow morning with another trade review every day, Monday through Friday. That's it. Love you guys. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.